Welcome to my channel. I'm Julia, a Dallas-based flight attendant. However, today I am on day 3 of my 5-day cruise on Royal Caribbean. We are porting in Nassau, Bahamas today. I am super excited because we are going to spend the day at the Atlantis Resort and Water Park. This is the bathing suit I'm wearing today. It's from xoxo. This is my favorite bathing suit that I've worn on the trip so far. I love the back. I love how like crisscrossy it is and detailed it is. I will put the link to it in the description box below. We spent about 10 minutes just walking around trying to find a place to eat, but we finally found a place. It's pretty crowded this morning, but we have a beautiful breakfast view. For breakfast this morning, I have a blueberry pancake, some waffles, sausage toast, and a hash brown. We just finished breakfast and now we're gonna go grab a taxi and head to Atlantis. There's our cruise ship, there's Mariner of the Seas, and then there's Carnival Liberty. So they're all in a row. That's really cool. Right when you walk out of the port in Nassau, you kind of enter the city and immediately there's like a lot of little shops and tour guides and different stuff. So hopefully we'll be able to find a taxi here. We made it into our bus and we're heading to Atlantis. We just got inside the Aquaventure Park at Atlantis. Right now, all we've seen are some of the pools. We've taken a few pictures and we're just walking around. So we're hoping to find all of the slides soon. It's a bit crowded here today. We're in line waiting for a locker so we can have a place to put all of our stuff, and look how long the line is. It's starting to rain here in Atlantis, so I think we're gonna leave the park for a bit. We're gonna go find the aquarium, maybe go grab some lunch, head back to the ship, and relax. But this water park is really cool. The lines are pretty long for some of the water slides though, and our feet are both super burnt from walking on the hot surface. We came back to the cruise ship because it was starting to storm outside and we both are starving, and the food in Atlantis, fair warning, is very expensive, so we figured we would come back to the ship and eat. I needed to change out of my wet bathing suit, so I am just wearing some like flowy shorts with the same white crop top I had on earlier, and we're gonna go eat. I have a lot of food on my plate today. I have corn, vanilla upside down cake, chicken parmesan, rice with beef stroganoff, a bread roll, and some vegetables. And we got another window seat, which is nice, so we can look out and see the pier while we eat. So the bartender made my pina colada blue to match Eric's blue margarita. After lunch, me and Eric went and had some cocktails, and then we ended up just laying out on some of the lounge chairs for a while, and I was like really tired, so I got an iced coffee. If you are going on a cruise, I highly recommend getting the deluxe beverage package, because even if you aren't like a big alcohol drinker, any of the drinks from the shops that are under $13 are included in your package. So no matter what, I think you end up saving more money. We're about to head to dinner, but oh my gosh, you guys, look at how beautiful this sunset is. I am just in awe. Oh my god, look at the towel animal today. He still has my glasses on. He's like a bat that he just put into the ceiling. It's so cute. That's hilarious. Me and Eric both ate so much food tonight, like both of our stomachs hurt because we've just eaten so much food today, but that's okay. That's what you're supposed to do on vacation. But anyways, we are going to call it a night, so I'm going to conclude the vlog here. So I just wanted to say like thank you everyone so much for watching this video and for following along on our cruise. We still have one more day, so there will be one more vlog coming out after this one about our last day on the cruise, so make sure that you guys stay tuned for that. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of my travel tips and adventures. I will see you guys next time. Bye!